very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, for subject value education for standard 2. Okay, Mrs. made a mistake here. Standard 2, topic is lesson 10, The Thirsty Crow. We have already seen the video first where we saw the thirsty crow. She worked hard and what she did? She picked up one pebble after the other और उसने वो pebbles को she put in the pot of water. The water came up and she drank the water. So how she could get the water? Because of her hard work. Okay, so today in this second part, we are going to sing along a poem on hard work. So, open text page 42 and we are going to sing a song about hard work के ऊपर है ये song. Okay, and you can see in this picture who is this little creature over here? Ant. सबसे छोटे हैं, चींटी जैसा बोलते हैं ना, ant, A-N-T, ant. But they are so small, but see the size of the food that they are carrying. इतने बड़े food particles they carry. They work hard, okay? Ants are on the march. So anytime, kabhi bhi, you look at the ants and you find them, they are always marching. Up, down. They are marching. So ants are on the march. Left, right. They are always moving. Ants are on the march, you know. Ants are on the march. Ants are on the march, you know. Hooray, hooray! Ants work hard gathering food. They are working hard. Why? Because they are collecting food. वो जमा करते हैं food को. They are gathering food. To work hard is very good. So children, remember, work hard करना बहुत अच्छी बात है. To work hard is very good. They store up food. What these ants are doing? They got enough food. उनके पास बहुत खाना है. फिर भी they are working and what they are doing? They are storing up food. वो उस टाइम के लिए फूड जमा करते हैं when it is very rain, when it rains. And जब वो चींटी बाहर नहीं निकल सकती because it is raining, okay, or when it is very cold, winter, snowfall, and ants cannot come out. So in summer, जब sun is shining, it is a bright day, they don't sit and relax. वो आराम करके नहीं बैठते हैं. वो अच्छे टाइम में they do hard work. They work and they store up food. Okay? They know that they should work hard before the winter or rain. So before the winter comes and they feel cold, or before the rains come and then there is water everywhere and it is difficult to find food, वो सब बुरे टाइम आने से पहले what they do? They collect, they gather food, and for that what they are doing? They work hard. So you children, you will also, when you have lot of free time, what you have to do? वो free time पूरा waste नहीं करना है. You will do your studies थोड़ा, little by little. You will do every day little studies, and when the exam comes, you will know all the lessons. Okay? So work hard. Our plan of action is, what are we planning to do? A plan of action is, hard work is the most important thing for success. अगर आप रोज पढ़ाई लिखाई करोगे, you work hard, that is important for you to become successful. Those who work hard also know the value of what they are doing. The ants, what the ants are doing? They are gathering food. Why? बिकॉज दे नो कि अभी हमने अगर फूड गैदर किया तो जब रेन होगा, व्हेन इट इज़ विंटर, हमको ये बहुत काम आने वाला है. इन द सेम वे ऑल दोज हु वर्क हार्ड दे नो द वैल्यू ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. उनको पता है मेहनत करेंगे तो हमको इसका ज़रूर सक्सेस मिलेगा. वी विल definitely get good result. So those who work hard, they know the value of what they are doing. Hard working people are always respected by others. So if you work hard, become successful in life, you are respected. So in my commitment, commitment means my promise, जो हमको तोड़ना नहीं है, हमारा promise. Promise में क्या लिखोगे आप? I will work hard. Yes, yeah, देखो, you have all these promises. You will work hard because you know the value of what you're doing. Okay, and what all hard work you will do? I will do my studies regularly. I will eat healthy food and do lot of exercise. What else? I will help my brother, my mom, my dad, because helping them is also winning their hearts and becoming a good person. So you write what all hard work you are going to do to become a good person. Now assessment time. Okay, ready? So open text. Yes, you have this assessment exercise. Textbook is open. Let's do this. Put tick in the box if the statement is true. आपको टिक डालना है. And if the statement is not true, if it is not good, not its false statement, you will put cross. Ready children? First, I don't like to do difficult task. मुझे कुछ भी difficult करना ही नहीं है. Is it good? Yes or no? It is not good. Difficult task, how you have to do? Work hard, try and you will succeed. आपको कोशिश करके उसको जीतना है. So I don't like, that is wrong. You should like all the work and do it. I always complete my homework on time. That is hard work. That is good work. मैं रोज अपना होमवर्क टाइम पे करता हूँ. Very good. You can write it in your promise commitment. You can write that I always, मैं रोज complete my homework on time. I always seek elders' permission to do anything. हमें बड़ों से पूछ के करना है. So I always seek elders' permission. Don't go out to play or don't do certain things at home without asking Papa, Mummy. You have to ask for permission. Very good. Tick mark. I enjoy doing some challenging work. मुझे मुश्किल काम करना अच्छा लगता है. Why? You should do it. Because उससे आपको सीखने को मिलता है बहुत कुछ. You learn so many new things. So I enjoy doing some challenging work. Very good. Put a tick mark. So you can write this in your commitment that I always complete. मैं promise करता हूँ I will complete my homework. I will seek permission of my elders. Yes. कभी कभी मन करता है ना कुछ कर दूँ और फिर पूछने से मम्मी को पूछेंगे तो शायद मम्मी ना बोलेगी तो हम नहीं पूछते हैं. No, it is difficult, but you have to ask the permission and then do it. So I am sure children, you have learned the value of hard work. So I am sure you will work hard and you will get good marks in the exams also. Okay? Happy learning. God bless you all.